Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kiddo Kid. We are going to learn English alphabet A to Z with picture identification. So let's start students. A for apple, A for apple. B for bat, B for bat. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for eagle, E for eagle. F for fish, F for fish. G for girl, G for girl. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker. K for king, K for king. L for lion, L for lion. M for mango, M for mango. N for nest, N for nest. O for all, O for all. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sheep, S for sheep. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watch, W for watch. X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.